Okay, I just received my Framework 16 laptop. It has not been opened. It was received about an hour ago. See, no seal. It's broken. I'm about to open it on camera, just in case. Okay, right there. Let's do the other side. That was torn there already, but this is not. Okay. The bottom needs to be opened. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is difficult because of the scams happening today, because of high RAM, just all computer component prices. There we go. Oops, I had to open that a little more. There we go. Okay. Knife is going away. I love this. Love this. It's this Leatherman Surge. Okay. First time. Everything. So, view. Okay. Keyboard. Stickers. Oh, yeah. Documentation. Spacers. Frame. I ordered a very, that was there already. I ordered a very conservative, oh yeah, but I have USB, HDMI, USB-C, USB-A. I think I'm gonna get the network. Pretty hard to justify it since I already have since I already have this one already, this Anchor has my network right there, USB-C. I really like this a lot. Travel with this, my LTT TechSac. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is pretty great. Pretty beautiful. Let's give it a once over. Let me put this camera down for a split moment. Let's see if I can mount it. Okay. I'm gonna open this. Yeah, let's just see the back of this for a moment. This is it. Okay, that goes back here. Let's see, anything else in the box? Yep, a power supply actually. Yep, power supply. That's it. Yes. I have my own 100 watt. Where is it? Oh, here it is, here it is. I was wondering where it was at. Okay, great. A little dirty, but Okay. I'm gonna keep this box. I'll always keep my boxes just in case. You never know. Okay, let's see the quality of this now. One-handed. Hold on. Very slowly. Let me see if I can just slip it off. Hold on. Okay, in front of the camera, so nobody says I did this incorrectly. Okay, let's try to take this off. Then it's a little difficult, a little more difficult than I thought. Thought it was gonna slide out. It is sliding out. That's why I want to preserve this. Okay, take it off the grip, off the table. Now let's give it a good look underneath the light. Everything looks pristine. It's on the cardboard, so it won't. Everything looks good. Just look at the angle with the sun. Looking to see if there are any defects or dings or something there, probably just a speck of dirt. Okay. Let's look at here. Anything else here? Everything looks pretty good. I did not get a GPU with this. Prices are insane. I'll get it either later this year as a Hanukkah gift to myself or maybe off eBay. Okay, this looks not one scratch, not one. Everything looks perfect. So if anything happens, it's my fault. Wish I had a touch screen, but let's see if we can mod that in the future. Ooh, I love this logo. Framework. Okay, stop recording and start assembling. Oh, one more thing. Let's lift it up. Initial lift. Oops, ooh. Okay. That came up with it. Okay. Oh, let's see inside. Anything else in here? Anything? Defects? Everything looks excellent. Anything with the screen? Just some dust. All the cables, they look okay. I have no idea. My first time. Okay. Take a okay. I'll stop recording and I'll just take a few pictures. Bye.